What's up, guys? It's Robson Hayashida here, and today this video is for beginners. We are going to explain to you the difference between trading with Pvsra and trading without it. As I always say, Pvsra helps you to stay not blind. So without Pvsra, you're totally blind. And what do I mean by blind? Okay. So, by first of all, let's take a look at chart. So this chart is dollar yen, as you can see here, USD JPY. We are trading on 1 minute. And what do I have here? I have the 200 EMA, this dotted yellow line. All right. And I have the dragon, the 50 EMA, which is this dark blue line with the bands here. Okay, this one. And I have the 25 WGT, this light blue line. Okay. And what's interesting about Pvsra is that Pvsra helps us to know when price is going up or down. It also helps us to know the trend of the market. So as you can see here, you see a series of candles. So you have the green candle and the red candle, and you have another green candle. And look at the volume. The volume became high. Okay, so you have a lot of high volume here, and the price is failing to break the dragon, the 50 EMA. So it fails to break the dragon. Okay, and what I want you to look at, and it's very important, is that we already have a previous high here. Okay, so we already got from this, you can see that it failed to break the key level. So you have a key level at around, let's see, this is 112,250. Okay, so this is the key level. So you have two consecutive candles with high volume. So look at the volume bar here, it's huge. So you have two consecutive candles that fail to break the key level, and after that price goes up. So you know that when you look at this series of candles that are pushing the price up, you know that we are on a bullish trend. Okay, so what we know here is that, let me write, so you have a series of candles with high volume. Okay, then what happens? Failed to break the 200 EMA, and after that PA goes up, okay, with a series of bullish candles. Okay, so you have a series of bullish candles with high volume. Okay, so it's a series of bullish candles push price up with high volume because you have the green one. Look at the volume. You have another green one here. Look at the volume. You have another green one here. Look at the volume. And you have prices going up. Okay. So what happened here? What happened here is that we had another series of high volume. Okay, here, and price failed to break the dragon. Okay. What does that mean? That means that there is a huge support. Okay, so when it tries to go down and fails to break dragon, we can say that there is a huge support on the dragon. Okay, so the dragon is supporting the PA. Okay, so after that, what happened? After that happened, that there was a huge rejection here from the dragon with a green candle, and I placed my trade here. Why? Because I already know that this made a new high, and the new high is above this price here where I am. Okay, and I have a double confirmation that PA already failed to break the dragon, so I already have a double confirmation that there is a huge support here, and before that I have a new high already, so there is already a new high. Okay, so what can I expect? I can expect two things. I can expect that from here I open, and then you make double shoulders with this, and will go down again. Okay, that's one case. Another case is that this will go all the way up to my 5 pip target, which is what happened. Okay, so from here, after making double shoulders, could it go down? Yes, it could. But did it make double shoulders? No, it didn't, because this one already finished above it. And we got a small retrace. And if eventually had to go down, I would already be safe, because at this moment I already set my stop loss to break even. Okay, so when it was around here, I made double shoulders, set the stop loss to break even. Why? Because it's more likely we'll not. It's more likely we can have a small retrace here, which happened. So very teeny tiny retrace here, and it went up again. Okay, so we don't really, uh, you don't really want to risk. So in case it went against you, like you just broke even here, okay, and it went all the way up, which was more likely and which actually happened. Okay. And why am I saying this? Because if you compare this with when you are not trading with PVSRA, you're totally in the dark. You're in the darkness. Why? Because you can't see this. Let's look at a chart that is exactly the same chart. By the way, this is a live chart, okay? So it's happening right now. So let's look at the USD JPI in 1 minute without PVSRA. Dun -dun. And this is what happened. Okay, this is what happened. So you are totally in the darkness here. You can't have any clues about how price is going to move, right? So when did I place my trade? I placed my trade here, okay, around here. So this on the chart without PVSRA would be around here, right? So it would be around here to be more precise, right? So, oh, let's actually take a look to see if it's really there. So this is shut up dog. So 112,386. So let's go. Uh, okay, this 112,386. So it would be exactly here. But then look at this chart. If you look at this chart, do you know where price is going after this point? Do you know? I would have no idea, to be honest with you. Okay, I would have completely no idea, because I have no idea about the volume. I can't see the volume. I have no idea about the dragon. Okay, so I have no idea about support and resistance. I have no idea about uh, the 200 EMA. And the only idea about support and resistance that I would have here would be, well, without the PVSRA, would be these levels here. Okay, so you have a lot of squares, right? So I would be able to see the support at around 112,340, right? I would be able to see this support here, right? But that's it. That's it, because I can only see this support here, right? So when we are here, I had no idea. I would maybe, if when we were here, I could place a buy somewhere after I saw that this was a strong support. Maybe I could place a buy somewhere here. But I can only say this to you guys because this is past. So I can tell you, right? I don't know if after this price will go down again like this, right? Okay, so now I know that it went up like this because it's already passed. Okay, but in the future, for example, oh, this is the future. Okay, so this is happening right now, right? So look, Dow price is 112,493. Okay, and I can see there is some support here, right? But will go down, I don't know. Oh, now it's going down. So this is my message for you guys for today. So whenever you trade with PVSRA, PVSRA is so beautiful and helps to you to stay out of the darkness, and you'll not be blind you'll be able to see many more things with Pvsra. So that's my message for today. Stay green, stay green, my friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.